90% of businesses are failing on Google, not struggling, not doing okay, failing. And it's costing them customers every single day. Look, I run an SEO agency and I see this constantly. Business owners who are great at what they do, but they're completely invisible when people search for their services. Meanwhile, their competitors, who are, let's be honest, probably not as good as them, are getting the calls because they show up first. And here's what really pisses me off. Most of these business owners are paying agencies hundreds or thousands of dollars a month to keep failing. These agencies are making the same basic mistakes over and over again and robbing these business owners. I'm Matt from Hey Tony, and today I'm going to show you exactly why 90% of local businesses fail on Google and how to fix it. No complicated tools, no expensive agencies, just real fixes that actually work. And if you want my local SEO checklist with exactly how to fix these mistakes step by step, I'll drop that in the description below. It's the same process that we use with our paying clients. But let me show you what's probably wrong with your website right now. Mistake number 1, going after impossible keywords. So the first mistake I see consistently is local businesses trying to rank for keywords that are way too competitive. Like, I'll see a plumber in Hamilton trying to rank for best plumber in Ontario. Dude, there are thousands of plumbers in Ontario. You're never gonna rank for that, especially if you are just starting out. But here's what kills me. That same plumber could probably rank number 1 for emergency plumber Hamilton or drain cleaning Hamilton in like 30 days without that much effort. So if I just pop into my keyword tool here, like yeah, plumber Hamilton has a difficulty of 39. That's hard to rank for, but emergency plumbing Hamilton has a difficulty of 0. There's no competition for that exact keyword. And the people who are searching for an emergency plumber, they are ready to pay. Here's the thing, most SEO agencies will tell you to go after the hardest keywords because then they can charge you more and say it's going to take longer. That's garbage. Start with the easy ones first, that's what we do for our clients. Get the traffic flowing and then you can go after the harder stuff. The fix for this is simple. Use any keyword research tool. I use SEMrush, but you could use Ubersuggest or any tool that you want, and look for keywords with your city name that have low difficulty but decent search volume. Target those first. The second mistake is that their Google business profile is complete trash. And I don't want to be mean, but like, come on. I'll see businesses with like 3 photos in total and 2 of them are just their logo. Or they have their hours wrong, or they never respond to reviews, especially the bad ones. So if I search for, let's say, Dentist Hamilton, the businesses that show up first aren't necessarily the best dentists. They're the ones that have the most complete Google business profiles and are actually doing SEO. They have more photos, more reviews, accurate information, and they actually respond to people. And here's what's crazy. Agencies will charge you like $300 a month to manage your Google business profile. For what? To post a photo once a week? Here's what you actually need to do, and it costs you nothing. Add at least 15 to 20 photos of your actual work, your services, your team, not just the outside of your building. Write a real description of what you do and who you serve. Optimize your products and service descriptions. That's one that a lot of people miss. Make sure to keep your hours updated, especially during the holidays. Post regular Google Business Profile updates. Respond to every review, especially the bad ones. And that's it. It takes maybe 2 to 3 hours to set up and 20 to 30 minutes a week to maintain. Mistake number 3, writing for robots instead of humans. The third mistake is the worst one because it shows that they hired some cheap SEO agency, probably from Fiverr, that has no idea what they're doing. I'll go to their website and their title tag will be like, Best Hamilton Restaurant, Italian Food, Hamilton, Ontario, Pasta, Pizza, Hamilton. That's not a title, that's a keyword vomit, also known as keyword stuffing. And then their content reads like a robot wrote it. What are the best Hamilton restaurants serving Hamilton residents with the best Hamilton food in Hamilton, Ontario? Nobody talks like that. Nobody searches like that. And look at this. This is what happens when you hire a $200 a month SEO agency that just stuffs keywords everywhere. But here's what actually works. Write like a human would. Because you are a human, right? Unless you're an AI watching this video. And answer the questions your customers actually ask. So instead of best Hamilton HVAC company, Hamilton, Ontario, furnace repair, Hamilton, try furnace repair in Hamilton, 24/7 emergency service. Instead of we are the best Hamilton HVAC serving Hamilton residents, try we've been keeping Hamilton homes comfortable for over 10 years. Whether your furnace breaks down at 2 a.m. or you need a new AC unit installed, we're here to help. That reads a lot better, right? Do you see the difference? One sounds like a human wrote it, and the other sounds like an AI that just learned English yesterday. So here's what this actually costs you. Every month that you're not showing up on Google, your competitors are getting customers that should be calling you instead. I'm not gonna throw out some made up numbers here, but think about it this way. If you normally get 10 new customers per month, and your competitor ranks number 1 while you're on page 3, they're probably getting 20 to 30 new customers per month. That's not just lost revenue, that's your competitors growing while you stay stuck. And the worst part, maybe the best part, these are all fixable problems. You don't need to spend thousands on an agency. You don't need expensive tools either. You just need to know what to fix. So here's exactly what you need to do. First, find the keywords you can actually rank for. Use keyword research tools to look for keywords with your city name that aren't impossible to rank for. Second, spend an afternoon fixing your Google business profile. Add real photos, write a real description. You should be responding to any new reviews within 24 hours of getting one. Third, rewrite your website to sound more like a human wrote it. And that's assuming you're not ranking for anything. If you're already ranking number 1, don't change anything. But you're watching this video, so you're probably not already ranking number 1. Include your location naturally and answer customer questions. This helps you build trust. Look, I'm not saying that this is going to make you rank number 1 overnight. SEO takes time, but these 3 fixes will get you moving in the right direction instead of spinning your wheels. If you want the exact step-by-step process for all of this, grab my local SEO checklist below. It has a place for keyword research, the Google business profile optimization checklist, basically everything I just walked you through, but in more detail. And if you're tired of watching your competitors show up on Google while you stay invisible, hit subscribe. I put out videos every week showing you exactly how to beat them without spending a fortune on agencies. And drop a comment and tell me, what's the biggest challenge you're having right now getting found on Google? I read every comment and I might use your example in my next video. Bye.